Well, Collins is 13 as of September. She is crazy and wonderful and hilarious and emotional and just your pretty much your typical, what I would imagine your typical 13-year-old would be. So Collins got diagnosed with Bainbridge-Roper syndrome. She has a spelling mistake in her ASXL3 gene, which is kind of like a master operator gene. So the master operator gene can't tell the other genes that need to talk to it what to do, because it's almost like they're speaking a different language. We got told she probably wasn't going to be able to walk. We got told that they weren't even too sure if she was going to sit without help, eat without help. We weren't too sure if she was going to end up being tube fed.
We got the bike in the beginning of August, and actually since we got the bike, she had the old bike and the new bike sitting there, and she would always walk to the new bike, and she actually went for a bike ride every day for, I'd say, about 3 weeks solid. The part that's so special about the bike for Collins is that it has added security. It has a good steering wheel for her to grab onto that doesn't move easily. The steering wheel for us in the back is very nice to use as well. You can take it anywhere you want and act as a stroller or a bike if you'd like to.
Collins now is doing things that when she was a baby, they gave us no chance that she was doing. No chance. So it's really amazing just to see her progress beyond what doctors thought she was capable. But honestly, I mean, she's pushed through so much. Like, the sky's the limit for this kid, and I know she shows us every day that you're more than just a diagnosis. You're more than just what people see in you, and that you can pretty much do anything as long as you got the will to do it and the strength to do it.